Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have the right F connector and cable. First, strip the coax precisely. 3/8-inch jacket, 1/4-inch dielectric, and leave 1/8-inch exposed center conductor. Next, slide the connector onto the prepared cable until the dielectric seats flush. You should feel it click into place. Once done, place the connector into the compression tool's die, aligning the locator. You must make these checks because accurate seating prevents signal loss, and you now compress the connector by closing the tool. Apply steady, even pressure until the ratchet lets go. Don't stop midway. Incomplete compression causes poor contact or water ingress. After release, inspect the ferrule. It must be flush to the connector body with no loose braid or debris. Make sure the connector sits square to the cable axis. Then test fit on a jack. You want firm threads and no wobble because mechanical stability ensures consistent RF performance. You finish by verifying electrical integrity. Use a multimeter to check center continuity and ensure no short to the braid. If the connector feels loose or the meter shows intermittent contact, cut back about 1/2 inch of cable, restrip accurately, and install a new connector. Never try to reuse a crimped connector. Finally, make sure outdoor terminations are sealed with heat shrink or approved sealant. Moisture is a common long-term failure, so prevent it now for reliable signal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.